just about everything that we say in this auditorium, in the time of preaching or Bible study or sermon, whatever, is being recorded. Do you realize that? It's being recorded. Even if we didn't have any equipment here, it's being recorded somewhere. But because we have equipment here and a tape ministry, and you can obtain these tapes and hear what we've said over and again, because of that, we have an illustration. And here it is. Would you like to have a tape of your life? Would you like to have a tape of all that you've said and thought? Would you like to have that tape? No. Well, if that tape is in existence, and I assure you it is, if that tape is in existence of all you've said and all you've thought, and including what you've done, I'm sure you don't want to have it played. Am I right? So whatever man may think about sin and how to get around it and how to evade it or something like that, he has to face the fact that his life, his behavior, his attitude is on record. But here we have a God that says, their sin will I remember no more. How can that be? It's on tape. It's recorded. It's there. Oh, a lot of people wish it could be erased. A lot of people wish that incriminating tape could be destroyed. We went through that, some 10 years ago in the United States government. Can it be erased? How can the judge of the universe say, I remember their sins no more? You know what it means? I'll tell you what it means. It is teaching us judicial forgetfulness. Where the judge of all the universe is saying to the believer, whether he once was a Jew or a Gentile, he's saying to the believer, the devil may want to play those tapes, but as a judge, I refuse them for evidence. They must not be presented in my court. My son has died for the guilt of man. Do you get the point?